This content is for educational purposes only, not a professional advice. What does revolving on a credit card mean? Have you ever heard the term revolving balance when it comes to credit cards and wondered what it really means? This tutorial will explain what revolving credit is, how it works, and how it impacts your wallet. Most credit cards are revolving credit accounts. They give you access to a credit limit that you can use, pay off, and reuse again. Unlike loans, which have a fixed repayment schedule, revolving credit allows you to carry, or revolve, a balance from one month to the next. But here's the catch. If you don't pay off the full balance, you'll be charged interest on the remaining amount. Let's say you have a credit card with a $2,000 limit and you spend $1,000 this month. When your bill arrives, you'll have a choice. Pay the full $1,000 or make a smaller payment, like the minimum payment. If you don't pay the full $1,000, the unpaid portion, called your revolving balance, rolls over to the next month. And here's where things can get tricky. Assume you only make a $100 payment. If your card has an interest rate of 20%, you'll be charged $15 in interest on the remaining $900 after 1 month. Over time, revolving a balance can make purchases much more expensive. To fully understand revolving credit, there are a few key terms you should know. Credit limit, the maximum amount you can borrow. Minimum payment, the smallest amount you must pay to avoid late fees. Annual percentage rate, APR, the interest rate charged on your revolving balance. Grace period, the time between your statement date and due date when no interest is charged if you pay in full. Paying off your balance before the grace period ends can save you from paying interest. Revolving credit has its benefits, but it can also come with downsides if you're not careful. While it's flexible and can help build your credit score, high interest rates on large unpaid balances can significantly hurt your financial health and cause your credit to deteriorate. To keep revolving credit working in your favor, aim to pay off your balance in full each month or as quickly as possible. WeFi's mission is to help everybody achieve their financial goals. If you like this video and are looking for ways to improve your personal finances, download our smart app at www.wefiapp.com.